Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Please comment, please like, please share the video, and most importantly, please subscribe to the channel guys. Please subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. Today we'll be making ice cream. Yes, a very simple, very quick, very easy recipe. You will never buy ice cream again once you start making your ice cream. It's so quick, it's so simple, and you can basically flavor it as you like with the different flavors that you like, really. And it's so simple. So let's get into the video. So for the ice cream, we are going to need cream. I'm using this cream here. This one is 500 mils, so I'm going to use 2 of these ones. And then you're also going to need condensed milk. This one is 385 grams. I'm going to use 1 can of this. You are going to need a bowl, obviously, where you will be, putting it in the ingredients. And then you're also going to need one of these. You can either use these ones or even the handheld ones. Either one would work fine, because you're going to need to whip the cream to make it a bit thick for the ice cream. And then you will need obviously the flavoring for your ice cream. So whatever flavor you want, you can use. I've used caramel in the past, so you can really go crazy with the flavors. Today I'm going to be making Oreo ice cream, so I'm going to be using this. I'm going to be breaking this into smaller chunks, which I will then mix in the ice cream. Okay, so I'm going to pour the cream in the bowl. Okay, so as you can see, I've just now poured the cream in the bowl. I'm now going to start whisking.
Talk to me, it's what I want the most in my life. They say you're out of my league, but I don't give a damn. No, deep down I know you want it. You wanna take a leap and jump in. You wanna fall in love. You get me spinning, wouldn't it be awesome if you just kiss me slowly and have me in your arms? If I could make you see it, baby, with me something to make the starlight jealous up above.
As you whisk the cream, you must whisk until it starts to thicken, but you also notice that it starts to make peaks, like peaks. I'll show you just now how it looks, and then you know that it's almost ready. Then you can add the next ingredients. I've whisked it. You see that it formed like peaks. Okay, now I'm going to add the condensed milk. Once we've added the condensed milk, we're just going to whisk it a bit on low. We have now added the condensed milk, and it's all mixed. Let me show you how it looks like. Next step is to put in the flavorings. So I'm just going to add a little bit of vanilla just to give it a bit of flavoring. Like a 1 teaspoon of vanilla or 2. Vanilla essence. And then just give it a stir. Okay, now for the Oreos, I'm going to put this in a plastic bag and then break them down, beat them up a bit, and then put them in the ice cream. And then I'll just use the spoon just to break it up. And then once you've added the Oreos, you just give it a good stir. Basically, this is your ice cream, guys. It's done. This is it. You just put it in a container and then you can freeze it in the fridge.
I'm making you smile. I know I am what you need, and boy, you're just my type. Deep down, I know you want it. You wanna take a leap and jump in. Oh, we're gonna fall in love. You get me spinning, wouldn't it be awesome if you just kiss me slowly?
So that's it, guys. A very simple ice cream recipe. This is it. I'm now going to put this in the freezer and freeze it for about 8 hours or overnight, either way. And then it's ready to enjoy. Thank you for watching. Bye. Oh, a reminder, subscribe. Peace out.